Fadzai Mahere hoya kuipa au yakasvoresa SADC zvoti nyange vakazvinzwa naivo vanoshaipe kunyarira nekuti atara mashoko ekuti aiwa ZANU-PF inouya ichitengera kana kuti ichipinza SADC luxurious hotels ichivatengera expensive villas, but school supporting program yeBeam aiwa ichiakriwa ine chikwereti cha around 57 million United States dollars. Sambi na mashoko atagwa na Fadzai Mahere munongomuziva Fadzai Mahere kuti aiwa anoadvocata ndokuti bo subscribe bo like kuti na on the bell icon. Anoya achiti good day ethnic mangwana, do you maintain that it's a good use of public funds to build luxury villas for SADC leaders attending the SADC summit when the national school fees supporting program Beam is in arrears of over 57 million US dollars? Why does the government not focus on funding these urgent public priorities instead of obsessing with the needless optics that won't improve the lives of ordinary citizens? How much would the government save if the SADC leaders stayed in the local hotels like the Hayati and Rainbow Towers instead of this fanside building operating that's expected to deliver luxury villas in a record of 2 months? We need new leaders. Anoyanobva poster picture mutuli Ncube reZimbabwe rakanzi schools hit by Beam chaos as Ncube admits fees arrears of over 57 million. Ndo mashoko advocate wanafadzai Mahere achiti aiwa Beam iri kuto suspendiwa nezvikoro zvinzi haisi kubhadhara zvikwereti, haisi kubhadhara marias yatoakriwa to around 57 million. Mutuli Ncube achitoadmitawo asi izvezvi vanonoti SADC aiwa ngainopinda luxurious hotel muri Zimbabwe. Mashoko aya akataurwa naFadzai Mahere. Tudze mafungiro enyu ine comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.